Hey guys, back here with another video. This is just going to be a short one. I don't have that much time. I have to leave here pretty soon, but I did just get in the new Bowers and Wilkins PX8. So these were released a few months ago, I believe, a month ago. And I'm just barely getting my hands on them. Sorry, it's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Now with Bowers and Wilkins, you can always expect very premium materials, but these are supposed to be the best headphones they've ever made in terms of sound quality and build quality as well. Here we go. And unlike the AirPods Max, you actually get a real carrying case. The carrying case seems like a traditional carrying case, almost like what you get with the Sony XM5s or, you know, other headphones that are much lower. This case seems, you know, similar to what you get with the XM5s in quality. Okay, now these are gorgeous headphones. You guys can see. Wow, that shiny metal really stands out. And the lambskin on these feels absolutely incredible. Now, they have a nice weight to them. Definitely not as heavy as the AirPods Max. They feel very, very nice. Battery life is supposed to be 30 hours on these. I did read somewhere that 15 minutes of charge will get you around 7 hours of playback. I'm not sure if that's true. It doesn't say so on the box. But I'll go ahead and give these guys a listen, you know, test them out for a few days, and then come back with a full review. Again, I apologize if this video was made very quick. I'm running a little short on time here. But here's your 3.5 millimeter aux cable and your USB-C to USB-C cable. That's all you get inside the box with these headphones. That's all you really need. Now let's go ahead and give these headphones a listen to, and I'll be back with a further video. See you guys in the next video.